Good morning, Peter. Nice to be with you again this morning. We're continuing with our series on the wealth that money can't buy. And we started with the first form of wealth called growth. This morning, we're talking about it's okay to be sloppy. When I read the heading for the first time, it sort of was a bit, what does he really mean with that? And as soon as I read it basically just said it means it's okay to be less than perfect within your inner life. And then I continued reading a little bit further. And Robin Sharma makes it very clear that self-mastery and personal growth must never be a grind. Your thoughts on that?
It came for me at a very appropriate time because, as you know, I've just spent a week away in the Kruger Park, and I was totally out of my normal routine. So it was a case of I was challenged on a daily basis, and it was looking backwards. I see that yes, you might say that I was being a bit sloppy, that my habits weren't what they used to be, but I was not grinding away like we're inclined to do. And I know you've got thoughts on grinding away.
Yeah, I think when we start to get into, let's call it the perfect rhythm, where we start to get our habits and everything to align with where we're going in terms of our goals, we almost start getting into a comfort zone as well. And it's a positive comfort zone because I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to get up every morning, I need to go for my run, I need to go to gym, I need to do these things, and all of them are really needed. But I sometimes think we get to the point where that becomes a grind for us, and it's not as exciting as it should be, because it's not. It's not what I want to do. So sometimes we get into a positive comfort zone that we should be trying to get out. And I think what you've been through in the last week with the break that you had, I think it's awesome. It just needs to almost take a step back, rest, which is very important, and then it will bring you back to, that's the purpose, and that's why I'm really doing what I'm doing. I think Robin Sharma says, honor the days when you have all the drive in the world and rest more on the days that you don't. So it's okay to be sloppy.
Yeah, and I just think the question that I really had for our listeners was, are you operating with the flow, going with the flow? Because so often we can just wind up swimming upstream, but we need to be in the flow and maximizing our opportunities. So we'll leave it at that and say, are you going with the flow?